I brushed my teeth. Now I'm back here. I love this cave. It's great. The addition of this spare light when this one runs out, great. But yeah, I'm gonna be eating with Moss today and Felipa and another friend he's got coming over, a chef. So we're gonna have some great food. And I don't know, maybe I'm gonna work with some of this project here. Or maybe I'll work with the electric unicycle. I gotta do something. I gotta be productive here. Hey, just det. Hej. Vil du sige hej? Hej. Hej med dig. Du virker ikke til, at du vil sige hej. Kommer ikke helt over. Nå. The weather's beautiful today. I'm going for a bit of a ride. It's nice to take it slow once in a while. Actually, stop around and take a look at stuff. I'm always going so fast. Look at all these animals. They're great. Hej heste. Hej. Hej med dig. Vil du sige hej? Hej. Hej med dig. That's how you say hi to a horse. You gotta blow into its nostrils. Okay, let's keep going. It's nice out here. Let's get out of here. Hej med dig. Ja. Hej med dig, hest. Han går den vej. Jeg siger hej. They're playing. They're young. Got some branches stuck in there. That sounded weird. I got paid today and already went on a bit of a shopping spree. I just bought every tiny little upgrade that I've been able to even contemplate about my setup. I got that. It's out of the way. I just need to buy some better jeans. Like denim jeans. They're pretty good for riding. And it's just like I can't carry a lot of jeans with me, and having a good robust pair of jeans that's not gonna tear, it's quite essential. So yeah, you're gonna see what I've ordered. It's gonna start arriving these next few days or weeks. And now the final thing that I don't have that I could possibly want, it's gotta be just upgrading the tent, getting the Durston X Dome 2. But that's it. Like a 360 cam. Okay, well, I guess when I think about it, I could also upgrade my laptop, get a stronger, better one. That would be hella expensive, though. I could get a 360 cam. I could get a drone, even, right? A better cell phone. Like, there are a few upgrades that I could get. I do eventually want to upgrade my laptop slash get a 360 cam, make some better content. Whereas right now, with just a phone, it's kind of limited, and my laptop is not even really good enough to edit on. But hey, it's better than nothing. I'm happy with it. I'd rather upgrade my tent than any of these other things I've mentioned. So I guess there are still a few upgrades left, but it's stuff I don't need at all. Like, I don't need a better tent, but would be nice to have a bit more extra space and 1 kilo less in my backpack. Well, I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna hang out with Moss and his friend who's a chef and Filipa as well later. They're gonna be cooking something delicious. But for now, yeah, I was just sitting here, shop spreeing, just making sure to spend as much of the money that I get on actual long-term stuff that I would need. It feels amazing to upgrade all the small little things. Now it's just like 4 main upgrades I could get. But I guess even when I get those, I'll probably find out that there's something else I could upgrade or get. But I'm pretty happy for now. I could go for a long time without upgrading again. Let me just put it that way. Should start saving up some money. That's for sure. This is from
Goed mee?
Ja. Lekker.
Det er fucking mørt.
Den er fantastisk. Tak kan jeg få. Wow, den er virkelig god.
Jeg savner en skarp kniv, Morten. Hvad er der sket herude?
Okay. Der. Den bliver ikke næstlukket.
Sådan der. Greenies. God påske, velkommen hjemme her.
Mange tak.
Ja, tak lige meget.
Ja, det bliver godt det her.
Hvad siger du?
Jeg tror vildere. Guys, I heated up the last bits of dinner. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. It's the middle of the night. I'm just hanging out with Dion and Stony in voice chat, watching dumb videos on YouTube. Itadakimasu.